Good afternoon, my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for joining me. And if you are returning, again, I say thank you and thank everyone for your continued support. This is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to do an unboxing. I've got a couple of things in. Oh, well, one thing that I had got from Amazon, and then one thing that I found is just a fluke. So I'll start with the Amazon. I have been wanting a storage container forever, and I've seen, I think that maybe Diamond Grandma has this, and I've seen other people, I believe Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea, probably several people that have gotten this, but I have been wanting it like crazy. So I finally just bit the bullet and bought it. So this is from Amazon, and the company is Zorecto Diamond Storage. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This was $21.99, and this is with a butterfly on it. And it's actually bigger than I thought. I don't know why I was thinking it was going to be a little smaller, but I'm very happy. All right. So this is 60 containers. Which comes out, which is wonderful. And this is the size. Probably, excuse me, if you have like a big number, like, you know, like the 301s, you probably have to use probably a couple of these. But I think that this would be really good with a fairly decent size canvas. All right, so here's all the lovely extras that came with it. So you have some stickers. And this, the boat is what I'm the most excited about. So I got a nice size purple boat. Oh, and it does the little lip pulls down. Oh yeah, and then it just snaps. So that's cool. All right, and purple is one of my favorite. Pink and purple are my favorite colors. I know that Diamond Grandma likes pink, but pink and purple. And then a regular size. Oh wow, there's two purple both. These are the size of the green ones. And then purple, this is wax. I don't know how great this wax is, but we're going to find out. You know, if you remember my video, a couple of videos back, where I bought this little small container of blue wax, and it was $2.99, and I was like, oh my God, it was just one thing of wax in there, but that is like the best wax ever. So I like to get some more. I don't know if I want to pay $2.99 for just one, but I'd like to get some more. So maybe this will surprise me. And we've got, looks like 4 squishies, purple squishies. And then, because I got 4 pins with multi-placers on it. And I can never tell how big this is. So I don't know, maybe 7 or 8. I'm not 100% sure. And then this is probably 3. And I'm not sure on these either. But then I have like a straightener, and more multi-placers. Now this also comes with this cute, another pen that has a tip and a multi-placer on it as well. So that's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. So the tip is here. Oh, okay. So it's a little bigger than the regular ones. Okay. So I will try this out. And it's got like a little purple in it. All right. Some baggies. A bigger straightener. Some, I don't know, tweezers, but they're not the sharp ones. This is probably ones that you would use with your special drills if you were doing like a partial or something. So one of those. And I've never used these, but I guess these are the, where you put your trays on so that they don't move. So they're sticky. Are they supposed to be sticky like that? Sticky on both sides. And I have two of them. So I've never used these. I've seen people have them, but all right, I'll give it a go. And then this is just a empty container. So I thought, you know, I've seen a lot of people talk about what they put their trash in. So maybe I'll use this for that. I've gotten one of these before, but it had wax in. So I guess you could put your wax in it or use it as a trash collector. And then, last but not least, another funnel. So there. So that's not bad for $21.99. I thought, you know, you get quite a bit. And I really like the big folks. In fact, I have ordered more, and I'm waiting for them to come in. And then you'll see those at another unboxing. Okay, guys. So this is my just happen upon. So my friends and I went to the outlet mall here in Oklahoma City. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen this store, but it's called Go, G-O, exclamation mark, calendar, games, and toys. So it's kind of, I guess, maybe a little bit like Toys R Us, but on a smaller level. And like I said, you can get all kinds of calendars and books and stuff like that. Because I got a couple of books for my daughter for her daycare. And so I thought, you know, I am just going to ask, can't hurt to ask, if they had any diamond paintings. And she said yes. And I was ecstatic. And this was the only one that they had. So I thought, you know what? I'm getting it. This is $11.99, and I haven't even opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys. So let me... I'm trying to find my little blade here. So, like I said, it's $11.99. So we'll see if it's worth it or not. But I was just like floored. Okay. Alrighty. So it's a small. I don't know, but we'll see. So regular kit. The only thing different is that it has another pair of like little tweezers. Okay. But a pin, another green boot, and some wax. Okay. I thought this was a square, but it's not. It's a round. All right. So how's everybody's day going? I have been off today, and I thought before I do anything, I was going to clean today. So I have been cleaning out closets and getting rid of stuff, and I rearranged my craft room again because it was so cluttered. Because I thought if I start, I know me, if I start diamond painting, then that's what I'm doing. So I thought I'm going to do this before I get anything, before I start anything. So this is, looks like 20 colors. And it has elephant written on it, so that's good. All right. Something like a salmon color, gray, kind of pretty green, a blue, purple, kind of a deeper gray, I guess. Kind of an orange yellow. I don't know, tan maybe, red. Like a darker, like a gray, cobalt gray maybe. Or is it cobalt blue? Or it's like, it's gray. And then the brown is the green. The 13 and 8 are very similar in colors. So here is 8, and here is 13. Okay, kind of a sky blue. 17 is kind of white. It's almost kind of like a off-white, like a, it has like a tint of like blue to it. There. Okay. All right. So it's really small. And I don't know. It's really kind of, the picture, I kind of want to say it's kind of pixelated to me, but because it's really busy, because all of the color is in the elephant. So it looks like a lot of color blocking on the edge. Okay, you know, it looks really good in the camera, but when just looking at it, it's like, oh my God, that's really busy. But you know, $11.99. So this is a 11 3/4 inches by 7/78 inches. Oh, and this is good. So the canvas, that's the canvas size, and the painting size is 9 3/8 by 5.5 inches. I've never seen that. That's pretty cool. And like I said, it's 20 colors. Let's see, it is 1 is 1 all the way down to 9, and then 9 is A, and it's A, and they're not in alphabetical order, but it's letters all the way to 20. So that's good. The stick is really pretty good. I think that, I mean, just kind of glancing over it, the letters and everything look pretty clear, especially the background, because it's like N, which is 17, which is that kind of off-white color. It's going to go all the way in the background. And just looking, I'm not seeing anything that's like jumping out at me. The H, which is 14, and that's this kind of purpley color. The H itself is kind of like faded a little bit, but I mean, I can still make it out without any issues. You probably can't really see that, but I don't see anything that is like I would have problem picking out the colors. Okay, so this is definitely a little snack size. Definitely a snack size. So I don't know. Maybe, I mean, $11.99 was maybe more than I probably should pay, but I was so excited that this place would have a diamond art. And like I said, this was the only one that they had, and they had probably, I don't know, maybe 12 or 15. So they weren't moving very fast. So anyway, so I will do it and at some point, and I will show a completion. Now it's the edges are framed, so that's not the best. And the canvas is kind of hard, but it's okay. It's okay. So those are my two finds for the weekend. Oh, well, this was my one find for the weekend. And then my storage, I'm just ecstatic about that I got Amazon, $21.99. It was on sale because it was originally $27.99, I believe. And then my diamond painting that I got at the Go Calendar Games and Toy Store. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you're having a great day, and I hope that this is the beginning of a great week for you. It is a Monday. I am back at work tomorrow and the rest of the week. The temperature here in Oklahoma is starting to come down a little bit, but it's still in the 90s, and it's still very warm. So you guys make sure you're getting your water. Make sure that you're checking in on the elderly and your pets and yourself as well. Be kind to one another. And if you have made it this long to the end of my video, please hit that like button on the way out. If you would like to subscribe, I would love that. So if you hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell to be notified every time that I put up a new video, I would truly, truly appreciate it. Again, like I said, have a great week, and keep cool and keep diamond painting.